Welcome to the Autorox product demo, a state-of-the-art yet amazingly simple garage management software built to increase your garage's profitability and enhance customer satisfaction. In this video, I will demonstrate how to check the status of an order that has already been placed. After the order has been placed, click on Stop from the side navigation bar. Once you have entered the stock page, click on Order. In the last column, you can check the status of all the orders that have been placed. After the order has been placed, the status will show as posted. After the hub has accepted the order, the status will change as accepted. After the order has been shipped from the hub, the status will change to shipment. By clicking on shipment, you can check the shipment details. After the order has reached the garage and has been inverted, the status will change to completed. For any reason, if you have chosen to cancel the order, the status will show as cancelled. These are the 5 stages of which the order goes through. Thank you for watching.